this video, I'm going to show you how to run a malware scan on your Windows 11 computer. So if you suspect your computer has a virus or any kind of malware, I'm going to show you how to go in, repair this in just a couple of easy steps. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for Run and click on this Run icon here. In the search box, type in MRT and press Enter. And this is going to load up the Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Now you can go and click on Next, and there's 3 different types of scans to choose from. Now I'd recommend using this option, which is the full scan, and this will scan your entire system for any malware or viruses. Just bear in mind that this can take several hours in order to complete. If you just want to run a quick scan within a few minutes, you can use the quick scan option, and if nothing's found, you can always come back over to the full scan, and then we're just going to press Next. You'll then just need to wait while this scans your computer, and any infected files are going to be listed here, and you'll be able to use this to automatically repair them. So that's how to scan for malware on your Windows 11 computer.